Cool. On the palate. This one is bone dry, absolute perfect serving temperature. I'm going to confirm the fruit, but I'd like to talk about the condition of that grapefruit. This is super tart. Wow, the acid on this wine is like really high, or my mouth is watering. Woo! I would say the alcohol is about medium. I'm gonna say the body on this wine, it's a lighter body wine. It's very lean in texture. This wine has a relatively long finish. My mouth is still salivating and I can still get that like green arugula peppery note behind it. I'm not getting some of the distinctive like jalapeno pepper juice that I would get from a New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc, but this is Sauvignon Blanc. I think this is Sauvignon Blanc from the Old World. I think this is from the Loire Valley, and this vintage is a 2017.
Ready for the reveal?